Hi there, welcome back to the channel. Update on the Honda CBF 125 bike rebuild. As you can see, I am missing an engine. I was trying to work on the engine and get the right camera angles to show you guys, and it just wasn't working. So I've taken the engine out, I've got it on the bench, and it's a lot better for videoing. I'll take you and I'll show you. So here we are on the bench. Okay, you can't see me, but you're not watching this channel for me, you're watching this channel for the rebuild of this old engine. And you see, camera angle's brilliant. I can get in here, I can get there, I can turn the engine sideways to do anything to the clutch. It's just going to make videoing so much easier. Right, back to the bike. Right, back outside the garage. As I'm taking each part off the bike, I'm going to strip down each part, service it, do a rebuild where I can. So the first thing that came off the bike with the engine is the side stand. A rather unremarkable piece of metal, but it does need a good clean and a repaint. So the first thing I will do is stick this in a bath of paraffin. I could do with a shave. Get all the encrusted oil off of it. Take it apart. Don't know if I'll send it off to be sandblasted, because this does just get covered in crap underneath the bike. But definitely a few coats of hammerite, and those springs are completely encrusted. Top tip: how to get these springs off. If you fully open it, grab the springs, you should be able, famous last words, to unclip them by hand. And to put them back on is the same way. On that, small spring first, then the larger one, and it's done. I've seen people with ropes trying to pull this. In that position, you're not going to get them off. In that position, you can take them off by hand. There we go. You learn something sometimes. I'll bring you back after I've give this a wash and a coat of paint, and I'll have a shave in the meantime. See you in a moment. Well, I've got it apart. I had to cut a nut. It was just rounded. There was no edges on it at all. Hang on. I don't mind cutting a nut. It's that bolt I need, because it's got a threaded insert, and that's where your side stand connects to. So I need the bolt. I do not need the nut. I have plenty of nuts. So that will be cleaned with electrical cleaner. And these two bits, I'm going to have a go with a wire brush, and I'll show the results on the next video. Thanks for watching. Mike out. Bye.